Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the crisper pan in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new crisper pan. There are a couple of crisper pans located at the bottom of the fresh food compartment. They could be used for storing fruits and vegetables. The main reason to replace the crisper pan is if it's cracked or broken and won't glide in or out. To get to the part, we need to open both French doors. To remove the old crisper pan, we need to slide it out and then lift it up, and now we can remove it. This is the old crisper pan next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new crisper pan, we need to slightly angle it this way, slide it on the rail, and push it in. And now when we're done, we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.